everyone, it's Michelle coming to you live from my kitchen this morning. I am almost on my way out to go to an event, but I wanted to just stop in and show everybody how to make some peanut butter this morning. So in our Deluxe blender, we have a half teaspoon of salt and 3 cups of peanuts. So we are going to put on our lid here, and we're going to lock it, okay? And we're going to turn it to our grind setting. So we have a grind setting here. And then we're just going to go ahead and press the button. So what it's doing is it is going to make our peanut butter. So as you see here, it's just grinding. It does make a little bit of noise. And if you hear that noise, it's because our peanuts need to be pushed down with our camper. So we just push it down to the side. And don't worry, those blades in there are won't cause any issues with our camper. But peanut, as you know, has a lot of oil in it already, so it's just grinding those peanuts, making our peanut butter. Now I use dry roasted peanuts, which is what you want to use. And I use the unsalted because I added just a half teaspoon of salt. It's getting closer and closer here. I'm thinking about adding some honey after a while just to add a little bit of flavor. And it has its own custom setting, so it knows whenever I hit it or whenever I set it on the grind, that peanut butter is only going to take 2 minutes to 20 seconds. So it's getting creamier and creamier as it goes. And it don't look like I need to use my camper anymore, which is good. I dropped it right there. I think my assistant over here can feed it to me. It smells wonderful. Our Deluxe blender has a lot of features, and I'll be talking about those throughout the next week. Just wanted to introduce everybody to this brand new blender which came out last week. If you have anybody that loves almond milk, this makes wonderful almond milk. It makes soups. And what you may not see is it does have a cooking element besides the heating element in it. So it can make soup. Okay, and it's done. So it does have a nice safety feature of just lifting it up. And we're going to move this to the side. And it is a glass container. Again, we would want glass container, not plastic, especially if we're heating and cooking at 220 degrees. So we'll go ahead and unlock our lid. And let's see if I can show everybody our peanut butter. Awful yummy. So next I think we're going to make some jelly to go with it. So see you later on. Thanks for joining. Bye.